Toyota Camry. Little damage right there. I mean, it's not much. It's not much at all. That's it? What's wrong with this car? Oh, there you go. She's twisted, yeah. This can be fixed. This right here can be fixed. Whoa. Here, let's see if we can start this baby. Nope, no power. Toyota, I give them credit. They are the most amazing automobile build. But I'm not a Toyota man or a Honda man. It's just me. I think it was. What happened was my phone was. You know what this is? Oh my God! It's a Maserati. I have never sit in one of these. Look at the brakes. Whoa! It's a 2017 with 107,000 miles. Where is the damage? I don't see no damage. No! She won't open. I can't open her. Why is she locked? No! No, Wendy. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Now I can open it. It has two buttons. It has one here, and then it has one in here. That's the one you use. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. Oh wow! This is the first time I used to have my Ferrari 308, but I have never sit in the Maserati. Let me sit down. Let me get the experience. Let me get the experience. Look at the key on this thing. There's some money. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing. Glove compartment. The thing is this. Will she start? Key is in. You're kidding me. The battery is dead. The battery is dead, but we have to see the engine. Very comfortable. Let's see the engine. I don't see no damage in this thing. I don't know why. What's oh baby, you know what that is, right? Ferrari. That's a Ferrari engine. Look at that. Let me touch it. Oh my God, look at that. I just had to put my hand on it. There's two things. When things are going bad in life, you can drill and stay on that, or you can go ahead and just use the mentality of abundance and God and everything and say it's going to be okay. And no matter what, it will be okay. And I love Maseratis. She is just pure beauty, truly. And again, I don't see no damage in this thing. But it might be water damage, who knows. And this is the one I was coming to this one when I ran into that one there. 81,000 miles. Yeah, she's done. She's done. Don't know the date on it. Come on over there. Wow, Maserati, baby. I sat on the Maserati. Boom. Put that in the books. Let's go see what else we can find. You know what that is? Look at that RV right there. We have to go in there and check it out. This, it's a 2020. That sticker's kind of, oh, let's see what the damage is on this thing. Let's go see. Where's the damage? She's sideways. She's leaning this way. But I don't see no water damage. 2020, this thing is like brand new. Let's go inside. Whoa! Oh, the engine catch fire. Yo, but let me tell you something. There's no fire damage in here. Look at my hand. There's no fire damage, just the engine. And they cut a hole over here, you see? That's the transmission right there. Whoa. Man. I'll park this thing somewhere. Double refrigerator. Man, I'll park this in a piece of land and call it a home sweet home. It's dark. Sorry about that. I don't even know what the bathroom is. Oh, it's back there. Yeah, let's get out of here. It's too dark. What is this thing? Papers. Again, that's the only damage. And it's a little, look, that's the Chio on top. So there's a little bit of damage. It's not bad. I don't know what nobody has gotten her. Or she's still here. Challenger. It's a Tor. Again, it's a beautiful RV. Let's go to the next one. Bronco. Ford Bronco Sports. It's a 2021. It's flipped. You can see it. It hit it right here, flipped. Yeah. That's the ditch right there. And the door is locked. I can't open it. It has a tape on it.